Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Zoom account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have a paid Zoom account, then you will have to cancel your subscription before you can delete your account. On the free version, you can delete your account at any time. You can't delete your account from within the Zoom app. You have to do it from the Zoom website. To start, open up a web browser and go to zoom.us and sign in to your Zoom account from the top menu bar. Scroll down the page until you see Account Management on the left sidebar menu. Click on that and then click on Account Profile from the drop-down options. Now click on Terminate My Account from the bottom of the page. Click Yes from the pop-up to confirm. Your account will now be permanently deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Zoom tips and tricks.